Hello everyone, this is me Maurya again learning low level design from the very basics. And today we are going to learn about the relationships in object oriented programming. So relationship here means we are talking about how objects interact with each other. There are basically three kinds of relationship. The first one is association, aggregation, and the third one is composition. In association, the two objects try to interact, but they are independent of each other. It means if one object dies, the other will survive, and there is no ownership between these two. The second one is aggregation, and here there is has a relationship. It means the class holds the reference of the another class's object. So if one object deletes also, the other will survive. But here there is has a relationship and the ownership is called weak. And then the third one is composition. Here there is a part of relationship. As the name suggests, the object is the part of another object. It means if one object dies, then the other will automatically die. Now let's talk about object cloning. So when I say object cloning, it means I am creating the exact copy of the another object. And these are also two types. The first one is shallow copy and the second one is deep copy. Shallow copy means copying the object primitive field, means reference of the object. The clone object shares reference to the same object as the original. It is not creating another object, but it is pointing to that object only. Okay. Now, if changes made to the reference object in the clone object will affect the original too. Yeah, if someone is pointing to that object also, if I keep changing this, then the pointer is actually pointing to that only. So if this will change, the thing which is pointing to this will also change. So that is what shallow copy is. Then there is deep copy, means copies everything including the object reference by the original object. It means deep copy means suddenly there is your object. You try to take this object, copies everything and store that on a new reference and point your that object to that reference. So this is what deep copy is all about. That's all for today. Bye bye.